If you want to build self-discipline, there's a lot you can learn from Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher. In his book Meditations, he shared powerful advice on how to stay focused, strong, and committed. First, he believed that self-discipline starts with knowing your purpose. You need to understand why you're doing something. When you have a reason, a clear goal, it gives you the strength to keep going. Even when it's hard, for example, if you know your goal is to be a writer, then write every day. Don't wait for motivation, just start. Once you know your purpose, you also need to count on yourself. Marcus said to turn your desire to stone, meaning don't let distractions control you. Break your goal into smaller steps. Make a plan and take action even when you don't feel like it. You're not always going to feel great. But self-discipline means doing the work anyway. Another key idea is to simply show up every day. Success doesn't come from one big effort. It's about consistency. Some days will be hard. You might miss a workout or mess up your diet. But that doesn't mean you failed. What matters is that you keep going. One bad day shouldn't turn into a bad week. Each new day is a fresh start. To build mental toughness, Marcus also advised practicing small hardships. That could mean taking cold showers, skipping a meal, or avoiding social media. When you get used to doing hard things on purpose, you become stronger for the real challenges in life. Along with this, you must learn to control what you can and let go of what you can't. Marcus said you have power over your mind, not outside events. Don't let things you can't control ruin your day. Instead, focus on your actions and your reactions. It's also important not to play the victim. Stop blaming others or making excuses like, I was just born this way. Even if something isn't your fault, it's still your responsibility to improve your life. Self-discipline grows when you stop complaining and start taking ownership. Another tip from Marcus is to practice delayed gratification. Don't always go for what feels good right now. Wait for the bigger reward. If you resist short-term pleasure, like eating junk food, you gain long-term success, like better health. At the same time, ignore the naysayers. When you start to do something meaningful, some people might criticize or doubt you. Don't waste energy on their opinions. Instead, focus on the people who support and inspire you. That brings us to the next point. Find wise people to follow. Learn from people who have already achieved what you're working toward. Whether it's someone you know or someone from history, use their life as a guide. Ask them questions or study what they did to stay disciplined. Finally, Marcus believed in the power of self-reflection. At the end of each day, take time to review your actions. Ask yourself, what did I do well? Where did I slip? How can I do better tomorrow? Be honest but kind to yourself. Forgive your mistakes and celebrate your small wins. This kind of reflection builds awareness and helps you grow stronger day by day. In the end, self-discipline isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up, staying focused, doing the hard things, and learning from your experiences. With a clear purpose, a strong mindset, and a bit of wisdom, you can train yourself to do what needs to be done, no matter the circumstances, just like Marcus Aurelius did.